Okay, so once the draw is dot and cross diagram, a couple of things to notice. So oxygen here, if you look it up on the periodic table as 8 is the atomic number, which means its electrons will be arranged 2, 6. We're only looking at the outer shell, so it should have 6 in the outer shell. If I was to draw those 6, using this here as electron number 1, if I was to draw the others in, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see if I count these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's only got 7 electrons. We know it needs 8. And this is another covalent bond here. And a covalent bond is a shared pair of electrons. So what's going to happen in this situation is one of these electrons is going to go into there. So let's move that into there and get rid of the electron on here. And then let's put one of the electrons in from hydrogen. And we have got it correct. In here, you've got your covalent bond, a shared pair of electrons. And then here, you've got your 8 electrons shown in the energy level. Explain why water has a low melting point. So, water is H2O. Let's make that a molecule because it's going to be a covalent molecule. And I'm just going to draw another one of those. And in between them, we are going to put these red lines, which represent the weak forces between molecules. Okay, so why does it have a low melting point? It has a low melting point because to get the marks here, you need to say there are weak forces between the molecules, and because they're weak, they do not require a lot of energy to break, and that is how we get the marks for that question. Okay, this one here is explain why diamond has a high melting point. So remember, each of these lines here are strong covalent bonds. Okay, so what we need to say here is there are lots of strong covalent bonds which need a lot of energy to break. Okay, as a little reminder here, it's really important we get this, that whenever we say something's got a high melting point, something must be strong, and always then link it to requiring a lot of energy. The opposite is true. If something has a low melting point, then something must be weak, and again, doesn't need a lot of energy to break it.